Yo, it's your boy Crypto Cowboy, and today I'm going to teach you how to make money in crypto 2020. Now, I've already talked about this platform right here, T2X, and also like you can look in the description to see the video where I go over it. However, this is just more of an update video as we go to get T2X tokens. Let's see. Now, the dividends, it seems like when I woke up today, it was blowing up thus far. Like right now, even there's 5 hours left. The daily entry is already at 923,000. Jeez, can't read. And it might get past this 1.1 and all these 1.1s really, and then the 1.3. I even suspect to go past 1.5 today. So we'll see about that, and then we'll get a stupid amount of dibs. Like this gives you a whole bunch of dibs, and I'm about to claim today actually. And so with one of my, if this will load, with one of my stakes right here, 157,000, for 10 days, I'm getting about roughly $200, I would assume. So yeah, all's not bad for real. And go into XSwap, I put in the liquidity pool. Let's see. I mean, I kind of like the liquidity pool, but not really. I don't know if I should pull out my 166,000 yet, but boom shakalaka. I've claimed 6,000, which isn't bad. It took about 6 days, and this took about 3 or 4 from claiming that. So, I mean, I ain't mad at it. I mean, I could be making more T2X by getting these heavy dibs from the auction lobby by staking, and I could just put more into the auction lobby and get more, you know. But I'd heavily recommend this one. Although I'm not a financial advisor, I'm a friend. However, I highly recommend this platform to getting the money to do other things, to experiment with other things. What to experiment with? I'd say goosebet.io. Goosebet.io. So what is this? It's a crypto casino, right? You can like deposit your money in, like they hold it in their wallet, right? Which is kind of a downside, not really, but I don't mind it. You could put Tron, Ethereum, Tether, Bitcoin, and You can now bet your Goosebet tokens. And how do you get Goosebet tokens? Well, first of all, you mine them. So you play any of these set of games. For instance, I only play dice, really. And what you do is, and you also get dividends in Tron and other cryptocurrencies if you have enough Goosebet tokens. All right. So let's see what's going on first. So first, to get Goosebet tokens, you know, what I do is make the winning chance as high as it could possibly be, right? And then I'll do a video about Goosebet another time, and then hit auto bet and turn up the speed and turn off the sound, and I'm going to put the max bet at 5. I typically dump more Tron in here via T2X over here, but for now, you know, we're just going to start auto betting, right? And that's basically it. You should see this number go up. And now each and every day, you know what? Let me go to Goosebet.io again. Hold on, Goosebet again. All right, let's go back. All right, so now here's another thing too. Let's go to my profile. Yeah, Crusty Lips. I know, funny name, ain't it? Go to dividends. Now it goes down every single day. I mean, goes up, like how many times you have to bet to mine one Goosebet token. So like daily, I get 3 Tron per day with as many Goose tokens as I get, and I get that amount of Bitcoin and that amount of Ethereum and USDT. I need to get back in this game for real because they're about to release a sports book, and you know, I got to see my Cleveland Browns. Yes, I said it. Cleveland Browns win, but yeah, that's all that's to it for real. There's nothing much to it. I'll make a later video about this, but that's another way to add up to it. Like I actually kind of trust this. Well, I trust T2X and Goosebet really, and then back to FOMO ROI. I honestly don't know how I feel about this project. I was I'll give you a link to the first video on it. Well, I only made one video, the video on how I did it, but so they took out the balance, like they like decreased the balance to me, withdrawals coming out of it. I made roughly like 1,000 from participating in this project, but then they ran out of money, so they're saying in the Telegram group that this time, now they know the pitfalls and everything, so they want to give it another go. I don't know if I'm gonna give it another shot or not. It's just like any other of these type of products. I can't remember what they're called, projects. Yeah, but like you get like 7% daily passive income compared to the last 10%, and you get 14% on referral rewards, and it's a longer duration, and you get like a jackpot, and adds like I think like 60 seconds, well a minute every 10 TRX are put in the pool. I don't know. I don't really trust it, but maybe I'll give it a go. What do you guys think? Who knows? We'll have to see about that. But yeah, thus far, this is I'd say T2X is number one. I highly recommend it. Keep it as the core project. Keep compound interest. Keep investing into this platform. It's honestly pretty good. It's pretty trustworthy. It's still early, you know what I mean? And then although it has been, don't be discouraged by like the 50 days. Don't be discouraged by that. There is much more growth for this project, so I'd give this one a chance. And then I'd say try Goosebet. All right, and there's another betting platform I'll talk about later, but I'd say start out with these two, and then try this one at your own risk, man. Well, that's all I got for you for now. So, and my referral link, please, friend, please. I'm kidding. But now, well, I'm not kidding. Please. But other than that, it's your boy, Crypto Cowboy.